Ever thought you could have a lush garden in your small balcony or patio? Welcome to the world of small space gardening, where container gardening takes center stage, transforming your compact outdoor area into a verdant haven. No matter the size, every outdoor area has the potential to become a charming and flourishing retreat. The first step in small space gardening is choosing the right containers and plants. Your choice of container, from versatile pots to hanging baskets, can redefine your space. Equally important is the soil you use. It must provide the right nutrients and drainage for your plants. Embrace the beauty of compact and dwarf varieties that thrive in small spaces. Consider blooming flowers, herbs, vegetables, each bringing a unique charm. Strategically arranging plants creates a visually appealing and functional garden oasis right outside your door. Next, we delve into the world of vertical gardening, where walls and railings become canvases for your green vision. Imagine transforming bare surfaces into lush green tapestries, with cascading vines and the vibrant colors of wall-mounted planters. This ingenious method of gardening allows you to maximize every inch available. From trailing petunias to climbing roses, the sky is truly the limit. Vertical gardening creatively utilizes limited space, adding an extra dimension to your green haven. Unlocking the potential of raised beds and tiered planters is the final step in mastering small space gardening. These savvy solutions offer an abundance of growing space, while adding an elevated visual impact to your garden. Raised beds allow for greater control over soil conditions, promoting healthier plant growth. Meanwhile, tiered planters utilize both vertical and horizontal space, offering a dynamic display of your blooming beauties. With raised beds and tiered planters, even the coziest corners can house a diverse and thriving garden. Gardening in small spaces, as we've seen, is about creativity, versatility, and strategic use of available space. With container gardening, vertical techniques, and the right plant choices, even the tiniest area can become a verdant retreat. So, are you ready to transform your balcony or patio into a lush garden oasis? The possibilities are endless.